Hi, I'm Sarah from Floral, and I thought I'd tell you guys today about a couple different foam products that Oasis sells so that you can make a flower arch for your DIY wedding. So I've got 3 here in my hand, and these are all floral foam that's actually within a cage, so it comes just ready to go like this. So this is one of the bigger sizes, and I actually used it to make an arch like this. But you can see like the size of this. Once you add in the greenery, it actually gets substantially longer, and you could even make it bigger if you added more greenery to the end. And then I've got this shorter one as well. This one is kind of nice because it's got a hole in it, and so you can actually just screw it in place if you wanted to have an easy way to attach it. And then this is the same version, but just a smaller one. So this would be really great if you were putting a wedding sign where you just wanted some flowers to like trail off of the foam. And I like using these because I soak them in water and then they provide a hydration source. And so that way your flowers have a better chance of living if it's a really hot summer day for your wedding. If you're not a fan of floral foam, that's totally fine. You could also use chicken wire, or you could use chicken wire with moss inside of it. So there's a couple other options, but I thought I'd tell you guys today about a couple options for this Oasis foam that's within a cage. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today.